We're going to be taking a look at the VisionPRO 8000 series thermostat by Honeywell. This thermostat also has the same user functions as the first version of the ComfortLink 2 thermostat by Trane. This particular thermostat is the 800 series thermostat by Trane. Let's take a look. To change the system type or the function of the system, it is currently on the auto changeover feature. If we'd like to change that, we simply touch the screen as you would on your smartphone or tablet, and it comes up with all the system functions that are possible. Touch it again, it would go to emergency heat. This function would lock out your heat pump if you have one and run only backup heat. If you don't have a heat pump, this will not show up. Touch it again, it would turn it to heat, which would bring on your furnace, or if you have a heat pump, it would run the heat pump as the primary heat source. Again, to turn it off. Again, for cool. For the demonstration, we're going to use the auto changeover feature. Once we have it where we would like it, we press done. The schedule for this time period is 68 for the heating setting and 78 for the cooling setting. What this does on the auto changeover feature would be for spring and fall, it will automatically turn on the heat when the temperature drops below 68, or turn on the air conditioner when the house warms above 78. The fan function is very similar. Right now it's on auto, which would mean the fan will only run when there is a call for heating or cooling. We touch it again, it would go to circulate, which will make sure that the fan runs at least 30 minutes on the hour for air filtration and air mixture in the house. Touch it again, it would turn the fan on and run it continuously. But normally we have it in the auto mode. We would press done. So now it is running in the auto changeover feature on the system type and the auto mode for the fan. To change the schedule, simply touch the schedule, and there are 4 program periods we can change, and you can program the stat to do individual days. To edit it or to change, we would press edit. We can click on the days of the week that we would like to change. The first program period would be the wake time. So if you wake up at 6 a.m. and you like your heat at 72 and your cooling at 75, this would be your setting. Say you leave for work and you want to turn the heat down while you're gone to 68 and 78 for the cooling. When you return home, it would go back to the temperature at 6 p.m. You can adjust that to whatever time you get home, and it would go back to the desired heating and cooling setting. You can have a setting for after you go to sleep, so at 10 p.m. it would change to these temperatures, and if you like to sleep cooler, you could adjust those temperatures down. You'll notice that it will only let you go within 3 degrees of the different set points. That is, so the system doesn't kick back and forth between heating and cooling unnecessarily. Once we're satisfied with our settings, we'll press done, and it's saving the changes that we made. So at this time, it's following the schedule that we set, 68 for our heating, 78 for our cooling. We can adjust these at any time. This will hold the temperature until whatever time that we would like to set here. After this time expires, it would go back to the schedule that we set. If we would like to bypass the programming feature and hold this temperature indefinitely, we would simply press hold. It says permanent hold, meaning again that it would bypass the schedule that we set and hold these temperatures indefinitely. To adjust the clock, press the clock. We can set it to whatever time of day it is, press done. At any time you get into these programming features or setting the clock, you can always press cancel, and it doesn't save any changes. It goes back to whatever was programmed previously. If you'd like to clean the screen, you touch screen, and for 30 seconds it will allow you to clean the screen. Once the countdown's over, there will be done here that you could select, and the system functions will come back up. We hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can always call us at 866-0990 or find us on the web at www.ssbhc.com.